Hi, I'm Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the coconut jelly with mango. Let's go. Hi, here is the ingredient we need for today. We need the gelatin. Then we need the coconut milk, we need the whole milk, mango, and the cool water. Remember, it's the cool water, not cold or hot water. First, we need to clean the mango and then peel out the skin. So the way I do it, I think is easiest. I know some people might tell you to use the knife, but like this way I think is like easier. And after you peel out the skin, we take it out and then we just like slide it. So in the middle is the seed is hard, so on the top and bottom you slide it up as close as to the seed, and then to take out the mango. After you have the mango, we use a little bit to cut it slice pieces. That is like for the one we put at the bottom of the bowl later. So it's like after you finish, it will be on the top of the coconut jelly to make it look nice. So if you don't want to do this step, you can only cut all the mango into the small pieces, just put inside the coconut jelly. That will be nice too, but the top it will be pure white color. I just want to give it a little bit yellow color since we already have it. Okay, after we done preparing the mango, now we need to put those sliced mango on the bowl. See, if you have the plastic one, I would recommend use the plastic. Later on, after it's done, take out from the refrigerator, it's easier to remove the jelly. I don't have it, so I will use the glass one. So glass or plastic one, either one is fine. But if you use the plastic one, make sure to cool down the coconut jelly more later on, like when I show you, before you put it in there. So you can put like randomly the way you want, just to make it look nice. After that, you put in the refrigerator at least for 15 minutes. Otherwise, like if you later on you put the coconut jelly liquid in there, the mango is not stick with the glass, it will peel out, then it won't be nice. Okay, now first of all we put the water in, and remember, don't turn on the fire. Then we put the milk. After that, we put the coconut milk. So be careful when you put it in, because the coconut oil, they might be on top and then the water is at the bottom. So I will use the spoon to remove it. After that, we mix it before turn on the fire for at least a minute. So we will keep mixing it. So we make sure everything is mixed, because like I say, they have some coconut oil, and then we hope everything is mixed together before we turn on the fire and then put the gelatin. Now we have mixed for 1 minute. We turn on the fire, then we put in the gelatin. Remember, you need to keep mix it when you put in the gelatin. Otherwise, the gelatin, they will be whole in one big piece. It's harder for them to melt with the, and then you just keep mixing, and then you can put in the gelatin in there. After you put all the gelatin, you just keep mixing it, and then it will melt with the coconut milk dough. And my experience, as soon as the coconut milk dough, like they boil, and then you will see some bubble coming up, that time the gelatin should be melted together already, and then that is the time you try to add the sugar. And for the sugar part, you can adjust the sugar you want. The ingredient I gave is for the kid, so the sugar is already not that sweet. So if you want less, it's fine. Or if you cannot take sugar, you don't just put sugar, it's fine, because the mango is sweet enough. But if you can take sugar, I would recommend at least put 100 grams. That way you will taste much better. And for me, I tested 120 grams. It will be pretty good, like for adult and kid, they will like it, and not too much sugar. So after you're done, you turn off the fire and put it on the side for at least 5-10 minutes. Let it cool down before you put in the tray or the bowl. Now, like, I take this out from the refrigerator, and since it's only 15 minutes, so you will see later on it's not successful to have all of them stick on the tray. So I would say more than 15 minutes is better. Now you can put in slowly the coconut jelly juice. So slowly to put it in. If you want the best look, now you can stop and then put in the refrigerator for another 10 minutes, and then come out and then put the rest of it. Then for sure the mango will stick on the top, the surface, to look really nice, and then the bottom it won't. Like, see, now it's already have some mango cannot stick with the tray. Now you can put those small pieces inside, so each bite your kid or you will have some mango in there. So for my kid, they love this dessert since it's not too sweet, and then they have mango, and then the really good taste coconut. So after it's done, you just put in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. So some people might say 6-7 hours, but I tested after 8 hours or even overnight, it will be much better texture and then the taste. So it's now after 8 hours. You can use the butter knife, or you have some dessert knife, you can use those. If you have the plastic tray, then it's much easier to remove it. See, for the successful way, you should have all the mango on the surface. It's not only have like 2 in there, but this, I just want to show you, if you did not put in the refrigerator enough, what will be happen. So now you cut it to equal sizes. Then you will have a good dessert with your kid. It's easy, it won't take much time. The only thing you need to do is you need to keep mixture it. Make sure everything is mixed together. Now you can have the good dessert, and let me know if you want some other dessert. I will try to see I have time to make another video and cook to show you, and I will always to find some other dessert that is good for adult and kid, and to make a video for you guys. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook, and click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I will upload video every Wednesday and Sundays. Wednesday I will have some educational video. Sunday I will have some fun video like cooking. or some unboxing those. I will hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.